Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make muffin paper liners. Prepare your tools and workspace. Lay parchment on a flat surface and mark circles with a cutter or cup. Stack multiple layers to cut several at once and trim edges for a neat fit. Gently crease the circle into a cup shape, then press into the muffin tin for a snug liner that bakes without sticking. Measure and trace circles precisely to ensure liners match your muffin tin wells and create even baking. Cut through one or a small stack of parchment sheets with firm, clean cuts to save time and maintain shape. If your scissors snag, rotate the stack and cut again slowly for smooth edges. Crease each circle gently around a dowel or your finger to form the liner cup before placing it in the tin. Forming liners is quick. Fold the edge toward the center one time, then reverse the fold to create a shallow cup shape that fits muffin wells. Test fit each liner and adjust creases so the liner stands upright and stays in place while you pour batter. These handmade liners handle batter well and release easily after baking, giving you tidy muffins and faster cleaning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.